टूट जाएगा।
Jai Hind, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is the real freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever somebody asks us that what type of freedom we actually desire in our life, we just say that we want to be free. But what type of freedom we actually desire? We are willing to do whatever we want to do according to our own choices, sometimes without bothering that whether those choices are ethical or unethical, and that is what we call freedom. We want to do everything unethical or ethical depending upon our choices, and that is what we call freedom, ladies and gentlemen. But in true sense, this is not freedom. Freedom without discipline is equivalent to crime. I would like to repeat, ladies and gentlemen, freedom without discipline is equivalent to crime. So if your acts are not disciplined, you are not working according to the law of the nation, if you are disturbing the law of the country, you are not free in any way. You are a criminal and you deserve to be treated like a criminal. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, whenever you say that you want to be more free, you need to be free under discipline. And on this Independence Day, I must say that if you want to develop any kind of freedom in your personality, develop the freedom of free thinking. Develop the freedom of thinking in a logical way. Develop the freedom of thinking in such a manner that nobody has ever thought before. In a positive way, in a constructive way, think about doing new and creative things for your own country. Whatever great things your country has not experienced till now, try to be free to develop those things. Try to be free to choose your own subjects. Try to be free to choose your own career path. Try to be free to do all type of creative activities inside the country. Nobody is going to stop you. And that is the real freedom. It is your life. It is always your own choice. That's why make disciplined choices. Make crucial choices that enhance your future, that enhance your career, and along with that, it enhances the growth and development of your country, because whatever we do, whatever profession we may belong to, that profession is ultimately providing financial power to the country, and that is being utilized in further growth and development of the country. So every professional plays his or her own role in developing his or her own country. Whatever you are doing, whatever you want to do in your life, it should be guided by moral and ethical values. Without moral and ethical values, independence is equivalent to crime. If you are free to do anything, you are free to raise slogan against your own country. You are free to do all types of illogical activities against your own country. If you are free to befriend outsiders and frame policies against your own country, that is not true freedom in real sense, ladies and gentlemen. That is equivalent to crime. Crime and freedom are two different things. If you are willing to do something and you are doing it under ethical limits, that is freedom. And if you are not doing something that you love to do under ethical limits, that is crime. So the only difference between freedom and crime is that of ethics. If you are ethically and morally correct, you are free. If you are ethically and morally wrong, you are a criminal. So don't be like a criminal. Try to be ethically and morally correct. Whatever you are doing, it should be guided by discipline. If it is guided by discipline, you will be more satisfied and more free in your life. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.